When it comes to setting up a successful Shopify shop, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. The success of your shop will depend on a number of factors, including the products you sell, the target market you are targeting, and the advertising and marketing efforts you put into promoting your shop. However, there are some general tips that can help increase the chances of success for your Shopify shop. In this video, we're going to show you 14 secret tips on how to be successful on Shopify in 2023. Whether you're just starting out or you're already established, these tips will help you take your business to the next level. So let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Fully professional, mobile-friendly website. To create a successful Shopify store, you'll need to create a professional website that looks great on any device. Shopify makes it easy to create a fully responsive website, so visitors can easily browse your products on laptops, tablets, or mobile devices. To create a successful Shopify store, you'll need to focus on creating an aesthetically pleasing website that provides visitors with everything they need. 2. High-quality images and product descriptions. Product images and descriptions are crucial for selling products in your store. Images should be clear, high-resolution graphics that show the features of your items. Your product descriptions should be written in proper English using complete sentences without spelling or grammatical errors. Make sure to write factual information about your products. Including clear and high-quality images of your products is one of the most important things you can do to help sell your products. People want to see what they're buying, and clear, well-lit pictures are the best way to show off your products. In addition to pictures, your product descriptions are also important. Make sure to write in proper English and proofread your descriptions for any spelling or grammatical errors. 3. Return policy. It is important to have a clearly defined return policy on your Shopify store. This will help customers understand your policy before making a purchase, and will help you avoid return disputes and retain more customers. Offering free returns on defective items is a great way to increase your customer retention rate. This policy shows customers that you care about their satisfaction and are willing to stand behind your products. Free returns also make it easy for customers to try new products without worrying about the cost of returning them if they are not satisfied. 4. Loyalty program. Loyalty programs are a great way to incentivize customers to continue doing business with you. By offering rewards for every purchase, customers can accumulate points that can be redeemed for discounts or other prizes. This not only helps to keep them coming back, but also encourages them to tell their friends about your great deals. Shopify has a number of apps that can help you set up your own loyalty program. This way, you can easily track customer purchases and award points accordingly. You can also customize the rewards that your customers can redeem, making sure that they are always getting something that they will appreciate. Loyalty programs are a great way to build customer loyalty and repeat business. If you haven't already set up a loyalty program for your Shopify store, now is the time to do so. Your customers will thank you for it. 5. Shipping options. Offering free shipping is a great way to attract customers to your store. By offering multiple shipping options, you can appeal to a wider range of customers. For example, if you offer standard, expedited, and international shipping, you can reach a global market. Additionally, live rate forms from shipping carriers like FedEx can help you keep track of rates. Offering international customers different shipping options can also increase your average order value. For example, you could offer overnight shipping within the US, standard shipping within Canada and the UK, and free shipping to attract new customers. By offering a variety of shipping options, you can create a customer-friendly shopping experience that will keep them coming back again and again. 6. Customer follow-up. Any Shopify store worth its salt must offer outstanding customer service. If a customer needs to return a product or has questions about their order, they should be able to get in touch with a customer support representative quickly and easily. The best way to ensure this is to have a dedicated customer support team who are always on hand to help. Of course, offering excellent customer service is not always easy. It takes a lot of time, effort, and resources. But it is definitely worth it, as it will help to build a loyal customer base who will keep coming back to your store time and time again. 7. Social media. As an e-commerce business, it's crucial that you utilize social media to your advantage. By including social sharing buttons on your Shopify store, you're opening up your business to potential customers all over the world. The more active you are on multiple social media channels, the more likely you are to reach a wider audience and see an increase in sales. Whether you're sharing pictures of your products on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, potential customers will be able to get a better sense of what you have to offer and be more likely to make a purchase. In addition, being active on social media is a great way to spread the word about your e-commerce business and reach a larger audience more quickly. 8. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool that allows businesses to cultivate relationships with their customers and offer incentives based on buying behavior. By sending automated emails after a purchase or if a customer's return status changes, businesses can increase customer retention and bring in more sales. When done correctly, email marketing can be an extremely effective way to improve customer loyalty and generate more sales. However, it's important to make sure that your campaigns are well run in order to avoid any negative consequences. 9. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. As a business owner, you know that traffic is the lifeblood of your e-commerce operation. Search engine optimization is one of the most important tools at your disposal when it comes to increasing traffic to your Shopify store. By making sure that all of your pages are properly optimized for search engines like Google, you can ensure that more potential customers will be able to find your site easily. In addition, finding and utilizing high volume and low competition keywords associated with your products can help to further draw users to your store. By taking advantage of these tips, you can help to ensure that your Shopify store enjoys increased traffic and sales. 10. Create collections of products. If you want to increase your Shopify dropshipping store sales, you should create collections of products based on the month's weather forecast. This will give customers better access to the season's items and help boost your sales. Additionally, making sure that your product pages are as informative as possible is a great way to increase sales. You can add videos of your products so customers know exactly what they're getting before making a purchase. By following these tips, you can effectively increase your Shopify dropshipping store sales and reach your business goals. 11. Use effective marketing strategies. As a Shopify store owner, it's important to use marketing strategies that are easy to implement and will help you reach potential customers. One way to do this is by uploading videos of your products to YouTube and sharing them on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. This will help potential customers find your Shopify store easier, which will, in turn, lead to increased sales. Another important aspect of marketing your Shopify store is being able to respond quickly to new trends. For example, if many of your followers on social media start promoting a new type of lifestyle, you should be able to use that in your marketing campaigns. Although there is no guarantee that millennials will promote a specific product or lifestyle for a long time, being quick to adapt to their preferences is vital for your Shopify store because this also helps increase sales. 12. Automate your Shopify store. The Shopify App Store offers a number of apps that can automate your store and help you increase sales. One such app is Abandoned Cart, which automatically sends follow-up emails to customers who abandon their cart on your Shopify store. This can help you recover lost sales and boost your overall revenue. Other apps like Product Upsell and Product Add-ons can be used to offer automatic discounts and upsells to customers, respectively. These apps can be used with all Shopify plans and can help you boost your sales significantly. 13. Start blogging. This is an extremely effective marketing tactic that can help increase sales significantly. For example, if customers subscribe to your newsletter, you can offer them 10% off their entire order. This is an excellent way to boost sales on your Shopify store because it will let potential customers know about your business and important events like new product releases or holiday discounts. In addition, increased conversions lead to increased sales. Therefore, you should always be on the lookout for new strategies that will help your Shopify dropshipping store. 14. Take advantage of the Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is a great tool for Shopify store owners to track customer behavior and conversions. By installing the Pixel on your Shopify store, you can see which pages customers visit, how long they stay on each page, and whether they make a purchase. This data is valuable in helping you create more effective marketing campaigns that will boost sales on your store. When running Facebook ads, it's important to target specific audiences for each campaign using the Facebook Pixel. This ensures that your ads are only being shown to people who are likely to be interested in what you're selling. This can help save you money on advertising while still driving up conversions and revenue. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.